Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix an error occurred downloading iOS 27. So guys, if you are trying to download iOS 27 but you're facing this pop-up and you are unable to download iOS 27 and you are unable to install it, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply force restart your device for one time. So guys, for that press and release volume up button and then down and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this, and after this open settings on your device and then go to general and then go to software update and check if the software is being downloaded or not, and if the problem is still there then go back and then go to iPhone storage and make sure that your iPhone storage is not full, and if it is full then delete some useless data. Again go back and now scroll just below and go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. Again go back and go to transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time as well, and then scroll it below the control center, and from here make sure that your internet connection is working properly with a proper speed. So guys, do this, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then you have to simply go to support app, and from here you can get any kind of help regarding this issue. So guys, hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.